Okay, one of the final steps in our assembly is putting the spiral slide onto the entire playground. So first we have to place it into the final assembly, which I have already done. Okay. We're going to place this on this flat side of the tri-platform. Okay, so right now we have the climb wall, or the wall climb there, tunnel slide, monkey bars, spiral slide goes there. Okay, so once we have it brought in, you can move it. If you need to rotate it, just click on it, free rotate. Okay, because what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to be able to see this. Okay, so right click, okay. Next, it says mate the front of the slide to the side of the tri-platform. So constrain, zoom in, mate. So you should see an arrow. Zoom in on the tri-platform and an arrow. Apply, cancel. Now it may come in sideways or funny looking like that, which is fine. You can pull it out, go back to constrain. The next, it says mate the top edge. So this is the top edge to the top edge. But we need to put an offset in. So put the offset of 10 in first. Choose top edge to top edge. Apply, cancel. Okay, and now depending on where you put it, it may have gone in here, maybe out here. Okay, it doesn't matter as long as it's sliding like that. Okay, what it is, it's coiling around that pole. Okay, and the final part is constrain, and you're going to use the tangent tool. So tangent is right there, and it's going to be the second one, so outside. And you're going to choose the outside of the slide, so notice that's an arrow, to the outside or the side of the main platform. Apply, cancel. If you notice it moved a little bit, it may not move at all, but what it does is lock it in place. So if that happens, it may be a fluke, sometimes it happens, or you can try to undo some different things and see if it works. Okay? Otherwise, save that as final assembly and then put your crayon pulls on.